Hey friends, you always want your business website live and up and it should open in a blink. So this is a good example of our business website. And what if someone hits your domain, someone wants to open your website and the page is blank, showing nothing, and even it is returning an error, especially a critical error. So it is really embarrassing for business, for you, and even for the visitor. In the WordPress question and answer series video, we are discussing most common WordPress errors and probable fixes. And in this video, we are going to discuss how to fix WordPress white screen of death. Point wise, I will show you the points. I will let you know the points how you can proceed to fix the error if it is showing nothing, and this is also called white screen of death. So this is very common error, and it was actually in the earlier installation of WordPress it is a very common error, but with the latest version of WordPress, and if you are using a optimized WordPress hosting and everything is good, this error is rare now, but yes, it is still present. It is a persistence error with the some WordPress website, especially for those websites which is not being maintained properly. So we are here to help you everywhere. And if you are interested, if you want, we can also manage your website, and you can even ask a question related to WordPress website if you are having any trouble here on the live chat with a mentor. But yes, let us discuss the points where we can check for fixing the white screen of death in a WordPress website. So you might be wondering why your website is facing this error. So what is the main reason for this error that is showing nothing, that is showing white screen at your WordPress website? So the most common reason is a script or a plugin or a theme itself is using memory which is more than required, and it executed the memory limit. So when your website or your hosting memory limit exhausted, the white screen of death is likely. And how to proceed with the fixing? The first step that you can take, check other websites on the same hosting. So if your hosting has multiple WordPress installation and multiple websites, even 2, 3, so you can check whether other websites are working fine. So if other websites are working fine, it means your your website that is returning an error has to be fixed. Or if all are returning the same error, it means the hosting memory limit is exhausted. Sorry. The second step that you can take is resolving the error using the recovery mode. So I have already shown in the earlier video, in the same video series, how you can enter into the recovery mode even you have not received the alert message, alert email. So enter the recovery mode and check whether you can fix the issue. You are having some trouble with the plugins, especially which is using memory which is more than allotted, or the plugin may be causing an error. So just go to the recovery mode and try to fix the issue. And the third step, if you are unable to fix the error in the second step, so you can take the third step in which you have to increase the WP memory limit. Again, there is a video on this channel and this in the same video series how you can increase the WP memory limit. Simply increase the WP memory limit by adding a line of code in wp-config file, and it is likely it will resolve the error, because the main reason for white screen of death on WordPress website remains occurs due to low memory at hosting plan or low allocation of memory for your WordPress website. If it's still not fixed, you can go for next step, which is which can help you, in which you have to disable all the active plugins. And there is a video again on this channel itself how you can easily disable all plugins. Even if you have no access on your WordPress admin dashboard, you can disable the plugin simply in the file manager. Yes, so I'll show you again. It is very simple. So let us assume this is the WP content. So simply rename this file. It will disable all the installed plugin and you can check whether your website is up or not. So the step is to disable all plugins and check back the website. If the error resolves and your website loads with any content, because we are resolving the issue of a white screen of death, I mean the plain screen, blank screen. So if you are getting any content on the page after disabling all the plugin, it means the issue is in any plugin and you can check all the plugin which is causing issue. If remained unsolved, you can use the default theme, I mean the theme that you are using additionally. Switch back to the default theme like 2025 and check whether your website is loading now or not with the content. In the next step, you can also enable the debug mode to catch the errors in WordPress. So I have already shown again how you can enable the debug mode, how you can check the debug log to resolve the issue. You just need to add simple line of code in the wp-config file. So these are two lines that you can add in the config file. You find wp debug true and debug and log should also be true. In the next step, you can simply clear all cache files. That may also be a reason for white screen of death issue at your WordPress website. So clear all cache, whether it is coming from the plugin or the server side, or if you are using a CDN service. So clear everything in terms of cache. And finally, if all these points does not work to fix the issue, simply ping us on the I Create live chat. Yes. So I'm going to add the link in the video description. You can start a direct chat with a mentor who can help you in resolving the issue. There might be something more that we need to check, and that is not a very common problem. So we will check and likely fix your WordPress website issue for this particular error or for any other error as well. So you can simply reach to the iCreate team. Mostly we are providing the free services, but in certain cases it may be also a paid service. It is all depends on the scenario. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Keep reading. Thank you.